ngayon sa Dapitan Arcade and dahil bare month na, nandito tayo para bigyan ko kayo ng prices updates for Christmas decorations. And as you can see behind me, ayan, marami na silang display dyan ng mga decorations tulad ng Christmas trees, Christmas lights, and a lot more. Samahan nyo na lang ako explore tong lugar na to. Let's go! Yung prices range of their Christmas tree here from 1,000 to 35,000 pesos. Kumpara sa mall, talagang malaki yung diferensya. Siguro more than 5,000 yung diferensya. Guys, this one is 10 feet and it's only 8,500 dahil binaba nila. Pero ang regular price yan is 10,000. But if you buy that in mall, it's 15,000 for sure or more. Ito, 1,000 and yung pinakamalaki 1,500. So kung ayaw mo Christmas tree, yan pwede mo nang gamitin. Ito yung mga decorations for Christmas tree and they're so nice, no? 200, nasa 200. 250 lang? Wow, mura. So meron din sila ditong mga ganito. Ito din mga Christmas tree, mga rattan siya tsaka bamboo. So ang ginagawa lang dito, ilaw lang yung nilalagay. So you can wrap it around here. Prices range from 600 to 1,500. So ito yun. 1,500 pinakamalaki nila. And 650 yung pinakamaliit. That's not bad. 20 pieces, 500 pesos. 10 cm daw to. Ayan. Magkano ito, darling? 600 yung isa. 30 pieces. 250 lang. Cheaper here. Way cheaper compared sa mall. At saka dito mag-enjoy ka kasi marami kang pagpipilian. Ito, pwede mong lagyan ng prutas to sa bahay. Social, ano, di ba? Kung wala ka pang mga ganito, for your Christmas dinners, ito. Charter plates nila is 120 to 100. Ito, 5,000 and 13,000. Yung Santa Claus.
Ayun po, 27 no?
27,000. Ang ganda, no? Malaki din. Pwede sa labas to. Solid fiber. So, itong Santa Claus nila, this one, apatan is 2,500. And yung pinakamalaki nila is 27,000. Itong lanterns nila, they have 8,000, which is the biggest. And this one here is 2,000. And meron silang 2,000 na limahan, yung maliliit. Plain is 2,000. Pero itong maganda, ganito, na limahan, 3,000. Limahan sila. Mas maganda siya design, mas colorful. So, yung nutcrackers nila, 1,000 to 2,500. Napakamura, guys! Sa Christmas Village, price range from 1,500 to 4,500. Magkano po ito? 12,000! Ang ganda tingnan, sobrang bongga, no? Meron sila dito. 35 pesos. Kain ko. Ang ganda tingnan, no? Social. Magkano yung reindeer, kuya?
2,000.
2,000. This is actually very classy. Social. Ba yung dating niya pag ito yung decoration mo, kakaiba siya, hindi siya common na. Ito yung pinakamaliit. Ito yung, so yung 2,000 na yan, kompleto na yan. Ilang character ba yon? 11 character ng Belen. Ito magaganda. And this has 11 characters. At saka yung pinakamahal niya, darling, malaki.
Ito po, yung ganyan size.
Oh, this one! Magkano? 25,000, 11 pieces, 25,000. And if you have, lalo na pag may mansion, no? They have 11 pieces of this, which is 25,000. That's already cheap. 8,000 for that size. Ito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa wall. Maganda, parang decor lang siya. 1,500 lights sila na nagkakahalaga ng 3,500. At saka yung 100 nila, which is yung pinaka-low count of bulbs, is 200 pesos.
And there you have it. If you have any suggestions and inquiries, just reach out by commenting down below. Don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching. See you at the next one. Bye!